Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Download TikTok Videos Without a Watermark. So, let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your device and find the video you want to download. Once you've found the video, you'll see a Share button on the right side of the screen. Tap on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the Copy Link option and tap on it. This will copy the video link to your clipboard. Now, let's move to a web browser. In your web browser, type tiktokdownload.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll see a text box on the website's homepage. Paste the copied TikTok video link into this box. Next, tap on the Load Video button. Now you'll see two download options, Download MP4 and Download MP3, below the video. You can also see the Remove Watermark option. Make sure it is enabled. Now tap on the Download MP4 option to download the video. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.